ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಬಾಂಬೆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ ತಿನ್ನೋದು ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ನನಗೆ ಬಾಂಬೆ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. That sizzling butter in that toaster will help give that bread a lovely golden brown sort of a color. A lovely scrumptious sort of a crust. And that's what I'm crunching into. So of course out here you can also do sandwiches with cheese, sweet corn is there, chocolate. Now chocolate try madana. This is actually 3 slices of bread with loads of butter and all that chocolate that's gone inside the sandwich, and also the chocolate syrup over the sandwich. All in all, it is a rather decadent chocolatey sandwich. नमस्ते, कैसे हो? कहाँ से हो आप? कहाँ हो? यूपी में कहाँ है? बनारस के हो आप? बनारस से बेंगलोर बहुत दूर है यार. कब आए आप? कितना साल हो गया? कितना? 18 years. So 18 years से सैंडविच चल रहा है.
ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್
ಇದು ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್,
ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರಿ?
ಮುಂಚೆ ಇದು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ನಗರಪೇಟೆ.
ನಗರಪೇಟೆ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಬನಾರಸಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಬಂದು ಬಾಂಬೆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಂಬೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ 4 ವರ್ಷ ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅದು ಕಲಿತು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ
ಬಾಂಬೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಬಾಂಬೆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ ತಿನ್ನೋದು ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ ಇವತ್ತು.
ತಿನ್ನಿ ಸರ್.
ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಸೇವ್ ಗೀವ್ ಕಾರ್ನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ, ನನಗೆ ಟಿಪಿಕಲ್ ಬಾಂಬೆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ ಬೇಕು.
ವೆಜ್ ಟೋಸ್ಟ್.
ವೆಜ್ ಟೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಟೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಯಾವುದದು? ಪುದೀನಾ ಚಟ್ನಿಯಾ?
ಪುದೀನಾ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಸರ್, ಪುದೀನಾ ಕೊತ್ತಂಬರಿ.
ನನಗೆ ಬಾಂಬೆ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಇದು ಬಾಯ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಪೊಟೇಟೋಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಹೆಸರೇನು?
ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಸಿಂಗ್.
Santosh Singh. So today I was in the mood to taste some Bombay sandwich, some sandwich like I would taste in Bombay. And sometime back when I came here and I shot an episode here, Gourmet on the Road, at Dabeli Wala with Yogesh Majama, I spotted this Bombay sandwich store. And today for some reason I thought of this place when I had that craving for a Bombay sandwich. I haven't had a Bombay sandwich in years. I said let's check it out and see what the sandwich here is all about. तो क्या ये बटर है? क्या है?
ಅಮೂಲ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಬಟರ್.
ಅಮೂಲ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಬಟರ್. ಇದೇನು?
ಇದು ಚಟ್ನಿ.
ಚಟ್ನಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಚಟ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ?
ಚಟ್ನಿ, ಕೊತ್ತಂಬರಿ, ಮಿರ್ಚಿ, ಪುದೀನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ಆಲೂ ಗೊಂಬೆ. ಅದು ಆಲೂ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ? ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್, ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಸಾಲೆ ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಾಂಬೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಆಲೂ, ಬರೀ ಬಾಯ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಪೊಟೇಟೊ. ಆನಿಯನ್, ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸಿಕಮ್, ಕ್ಯೂಕುಂಬರ್,
ಇದು ಟೊಮಾಟೊ, ಇದು ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್ ಪೌಡರ್,
some more butter on top, some chutney of course. So I was really in the mood for a vegetable sandwich. In Bombay, of course Mumbai now, when I was there it was still Bombay, and when I used to enjoy all these sandwiches etc., this is classic street food fare. You go to every gully, you go to every neighborhood, you will find a sandwich wala. Typically they don't have a cart there, so it's basically a box, and on top of that box they make their sandwiches. This is a simple plain sandwich. In between the slices of the bread you got some butter. Of course those days it used to be regular butter, but now they have Amul Light. There's some chutney, basically a pudina chutney with some green chilies, and then you got some cucumber, you got some onions, you got some tomato and some potato. So in Bombay or in Mumbai, pardon me for those of you watching from Mumbai, when I was there it was still Bombay, they slice the potato, but out here Santosh has decided to ace them. He's got boiled potatoes that he mixes with some spices, perhaps some salt, pepper and a few other ingredients, which he says is his proprietary masala, like a chaat masala, and that's what goes to spice the potatoes. Enough said, let's get to the sandwich. I'm tasting more of the tikka. यहाँ पे लोग spice पसंद करते हैं. So typically what would happen is that the potato would cut the spice of the green chutney, but here because the potato is also spiced, that spiced potato mash of sorts further lengthens the warmth on your palate. I think this tomato ketchup will certainly help tone down that spice. अमूल लाइट क्यों यूज़ करते हो? रेगुलर अमूल क्यों नहीं यूज़ करते हो?
अच्छा होता है, वो भी अच्छा होता है ना।
तो पहले से ही अमूल लाइट, क्या अमूल लाइट तो अभी आया है ना?
अभी है, उसके पहले अमूल ही।
अच्छा, लेकिन लोग क्या अमूल लाइट पूछते हैं कि अमूल पूछते हैं?
अमूल लाइट।
अमूल लाइट. So Santosh says he has decided to move on because at the end of the day everybody is worried about wellness, butter is fat, etc. So therefore he's moved on, he's made the transition from Amul to Amul Light. But I think that makhan, that butter, especially for occasional indulgences like this, does play a role. हाँ, मक्खन से थोड़ा फर्क पड़ता है ना, थोड़ा फर्क पड़ता है. There's a slight difference, but nonetheless, does it convey me back to the sandwich walas of Mumbai? To a certain extent, yes. ಅದು ಬಾಂಬೆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಪೊಟೇಟೊ ಆ ಥರ ಸ್ಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ,
ಅದು ಸ್ಲೈಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಓಡಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಓಡಲ್ಲ
ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಸಿ ಅದು ಟೋಸ್ಟು, ಟೋಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಚ್ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೇನ್.
ಅದು ಟೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ಸ್ಪೈಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಪೊಟೇಟೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಹಳದಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋಶ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್,
ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದು ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ದೋಸೆ ಪಲ್ಯ ತರ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆನಿಯನ್ ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್,
ಆನಿಯನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆನಿಯನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. ಎನಿವೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಖಾರ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸರ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಫೀಲ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಪೈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಮೈ ಟಂಗ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಅದು ಟೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನಮ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಇದು
ವೆಜ್ ಚೀಸ್ ಟೋಸ್ಟ್, ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಕಾರ್ನ್, ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್.
ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಸಮಯನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಅಚ್ಚಾ, ಏನು ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
So there's some compound chocolate that's going in there. Dark chocolate. ಅದು ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಥರ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸರಿ, ಇದ್ರು ನಾವು ವೆಜ್ ಟೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಸರಿ ಸರ್.
ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೊಟೇಟೊ ನಾನು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಈ ಥರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ?
ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
I think that potato that he's got here, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್ ಇದೆ, ಜೀರಿಗೆ ಇದೆ. I can taste the pepper, the jeerige, salt. This isn't too spicy by itself, but just because it has that pepper and the warmth of the spices, it doesn't cut the spice of that pudina chutney and only helps prolong the warmth on your palate. If it was just a plain potato in that wet sandwich, it would have cut through the spice rather quickly. ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಮೂಲ್ ಲೈಟ್, ಅಮೂಲ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಚಟ್ನಿ. So that toaster is getting heated to meet that sandwich. That sizzling butter in that toaster will help give that bread a lovely golden brown sort of a color. Some more butter on top. Some butter, some chutney. ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್. ಸೇವ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿರಿ. ಸೇವ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ತಿನ್ನಲ್ವಲ್ಲ.
ಸರಿ, ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದರ ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಸೇವ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌ ದ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೇವ್ ಬಾಂಬೆ ಟೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎನ್ವಿಷನ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್. Certainly a lot happening in this sandwich here in JP Nagar. That's where we are at Santosh's Bombay Sandwich Shop. There's plenty of Amul Light butter that's gone into the sandwich and also on the surface of the sandwich and also on the toaster. So therefore that sandwich is rendered a lovely golden brown, and it's also the sort of sandwich that has a scrumptious sort of a crust. And that's what I'm crunching into. The flavors in this sandwich don't feel as punchy as the one in the plain vegetable sandwich, and I guess that's because of all the fat that's gone in. So all that fat, all that butter, that's not only gone into the sandwich but also on the surface of the sandwich and also on the toaster to grill it and give it that lovely golden dark brown sort of a crust, has also, in a manner of speaking, tamed the spiciness of that pudina chutney. So that chili isn't really ringing on your palate with the kind of ferocity that it did earlier. In this, you're tasting the potato but in a creamy sort of a flavor tone, and then the moist crunch of the onions and the tomato. You know, despite all the butter that's gone in, it doesn't really feel excessive with the fat, with the butter in the least. ये उतना स्पाइसी नहीं लगता है ना, ये बटर है इसलिए. Oh yeah, and you also have the vegetal crunch of the capsicum in this. And now of course you taste it with that ketchup. So it's tomato ketchup for the most part, but along with the tomato goes in a bunch of other ingredients to actually give this most generic ketchup some body, some volume. This sandwich, I preferred it without the tomato ketchup. But in the last sandwich, because of the heat, the spiciness of that pudina chutney, that tomato ketchup was rather welcome. Are you regular here?
No, this is the first time.
First time you're coming?
Because I saw you shooting.
Oh, because you saw me shooting, you came here?
Yeah, I saw many videos of yours.
Ah, what's your name, sir?
Shivashankar.
Normally people watch the video of me at a particular outlet and then come, but Mr. Shivashankar has done a first. He's watched me shooting a video somewhere at a place that I haven't shot before, and he decided to stop and taste it.
Yeah.
So I think we should do the review together then.
No.
How's the sandwich?
It's okay.
It's okay. Fantastic.
First time I'm.
First time you're having it.
Yeah.
Of course, he's got the sandwich with all that save. And now to taste that Bombay toast sandwich with that save. The save does bring an element of crunch. Interesting, but if you've grown up on the Bombay toast sandwich in Bombay or Mumbai, it may take a little getting used to. Like also perhaps the next sandwich that I'm going to venture out to try. So of course out here you can also do sandwiches with cheese, sweet corn is there, chocolate. Now chocolate try madana. There's a mayo sandwich, chili cheese sandwich. Aloo toast andre enu, aloo ide alla already toast nalli.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ.
Oh, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ vegetable ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮಗೆ vegetable ಬೇಡಾದ್ರೆ aloo, ಬರೀ aloo. All they will do is just smear that potato. And then of course he's got some tomato cheese, a bread butter jam toast ಇದೆ. So whatever you want to taste, Santosh here has made sure that he's got you covered. Whether you want to do a plain sandwich, a toast sandwich, or perhaps even a chocolate sandwich. You're regular? ಮಗನಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಓಕೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಚೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಭರ್ಪೂರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು ಕಲರ್ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ. ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರ, ಇವತ್ತು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ? ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. I have to ask, no? Otherwise some of you out there will tell that he puts more butter just because he sees the camera there. But I think at the end of the day they want to serve up a great tasty dish. That's what they want to do. Because if they serve up a great tasty dish, Mr. Murthy will return again to get more cheese sandwiches for his son. Maga desarenu sir?
Maga Mahesh Kumar.
For his son Mahesh Kumar. Mahesh, if you're watching, happy eating. I hope you enjoy this cheese sandwich that I watched being made for you. Chocolate मेले से होते हैं?
ಮೂರು ಸ್ಲೈಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
3 slice.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
That's a loaded sandwich. So our sandwich is out of the toaster. That's a sandwich that's loaded with that chocolate. Oh, and there's some Hershey's syrup.
ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಸಿರಪ್.
That is absolute chocolate overload. This is actually 3 slices of bread, but those 3 slices have been compressed with tons of chocolate. With tons of chocolate on the inside and also some chocolate syrup on the outside. Well, it tastes better than I thought it would taste, to be honest. When he said chocolate sandwich, I said, okay, fine, let's go with the flow of things and try something different. But I was rather worried about the kind of sandwich that would emerge. But I must say, I'm pleasantly surprised. So I think the chocolate works great as a combination with the saltiness of the butter. Because he uses a salted butter, chocolate and salt makes for a great combination. And then the 3 slices of bread. I thought the bread would probably be a bit of an excess, but because he's got 3 slices of bread, that also helps cut down that chocolate aggression. So all in all, this is a rather interesting sandwich to end things here at Santosh Singh's Bombay sandwich stall. But of course, this is a sort of sandwich that you should probably share with a couple of friends while you are here. Because tasting 3 slices of the bread with loads of butter, albeit Amul Light, and all that chocolate that's gone inside the sandwich, and also the chocolate syrup over the sandwich, all in all, it is a rather decadent chocolatey sandwich. But having said that, I can't resist from partaking of this last bite. I can taste also now the lushness of the butter in that last piece of the sandwich. So if you want to savor some flavors of Bombay in a sandwich, look up the Bombay sandwich stall here in JP Nagar. You will find the coordinates and the address in the description below. Until the next time, take care, stay safe, happy eating. I said this is a sandwich that you should share, but turns out you can finish it rather effortlessly. Very interesting.